Hello, I am Aritra Shah, a final year student from VIT Chennai, and this is my task for recruitment process at Superjoin. So I have been asked to create a real-time data synchronization between Google Sheets and MySQL. And for this task, the technologies I have chosen are Node.js as the primary language and Express.js for the server, MySQL for the database, and Google APIs to sync the sheets to the database. Now, as you can see, I have opened a sheet right now here, and you can get the sheet ID from here. So once you get the sheet ID, you can just copy this sheet ID and give it in the environment variables, and this will be connected to your Google Sheets. So what you have to do before that is click on share and check that anyone with the link can be visible. So after that, you have to give the permission as editor and you are done. So what this basically does is it updates the data in the MySQL server in real time. So I'll show you the current data what we have. So this is the data which we have currently, and it is synchronized live. So I'll try to update the sheets and see what happens. So I have updated this in the Google Sheets, and now I'll try to check the database if this has been updated. See, the new row has been added and this has been updated. And not only that, you can add another column as well, and that will be updated as well. So here I'm giving gender as male, and then male, female, male. Yeah, so I have updated the a new column gender, and I have updated the values as well here. So if you see here in the database, you can see that it has been updated in real time. Now other than that, if you want to change the values, suppose you want to make all of them 1, and maybe you don't want 2 values, it's just empty. So the updation, like basically the CRUD operations can also be performed here. So as you can see here, the data has been updated to 111 and these are blank. So this is the project which I have made for Superjoin. I hope you like it. Thank you.